The 8200 series Particulate Respirator, manufactured by 3M, is a lightweight face mask that is approved by the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health with an N95 rating with at least 95% filtration efficiency. This mask is often used to fulfill facial cover requirements for PPE and safety. Use this mask to protect your breathing passageways from particles and chemicals during pest control or lawn care treatments. In this video, we'll review several characteristics of the 3M Particulate Face Mask and how to use it to keep you safe. This face mask features an adjustable nose clip for fit, nose foam for seal and comfort, and stapled headbands for security. No natural rubber latex is used in this mask. Before use, wash your hands thoroughly. Fit the mask over your face, pull the lower strap over your head and position it below your ears, then pull the upper strap over your head and position it above your ears. This N95 particulate face mask should be used anytime you are using chemicals for pest control or lawn care. This face mask is suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. Dispose and replace this mask after use or if it becomes dirty. N95 particulate face masks are safe to use with most regular dust or liquid chemical applications. Before any application, always test all PPE to ensure a snug and comfortable fit.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.